Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Ali Abbas at the Stock Daddy 41. Thank you so much for tuning in. Uh, for the past few days, the last 2 days, I was not able to record videos because I was quite busy, and but I did make note of all the trades that I had done. So here it is. We didn't get any trades on Monday and Tuesday. On Wednesday, we got two trades. One was a buy at 52,300 call option at 406, and it went directly to the stop loss, giving me a loss of 325 points. And then there was a sell trade on 52,300 put option at 1245. 450 was the target. First, second targets were met, and the trailing stop loss was exited at 392. There we collected 222 points. So net it was a 103 point loss on Wednesday. On Thursday yesterday, there was only one trade, 52,000 put option at 298 was the buy signal, and at 1:50 p.m. and it straight went to stop loss, giving me a loss of 235 points. So my total came down to 641. We were beyond 30%, but unfortunately, we had to face some losses. Now I'll take you to today's trades. Let me start with the post-market analysis. We opened flat, and what seemed to be going down, breaking this, it took a support, stopped over here, took a support, and then a green candle came. Now usually if we were looking at a price action for this support level to break and then continue, then yes, there was a put trade, but there was a huge up move and then a huge pullback and then another bigger up move, taking out all the buyers and sellers all at once. So there was a lot of confusion in the market today. Though I was in Sensex, somewhere Zerodha hung because of the BSC data not coming through, and in this spike, yes, some of my trades were there, which I had to make adjustments later on, but I made it on the way when it came back down. So Bank Nifty, the trades today, we started with 52,200 at 920. The VWAP was at 52,200. So let's go to it right away. So till 12 o'clock, there was no movement in this strike at 52,200 call option. And later on, we moved to a different strike because of the up move. So that was 52,600, which I was watching. I'll just take you to it right away. And here we got a sell signal, as you can see, at 120, exactly top side selling, and it just made its way all the way down to the third target very easily. The first target was achieved in the first candle, the second target came in after 20 minutes, and then a lot of ranging and then a straight forward fall. So this was a very good fall, which helped us gather a lot of points. And the stop loss for the fourth lot was kept on trailing. I think somewhere over here is where I exited 164. I'll just look into it. And on the put side, we'll just have a look at it. On the put side, at around 10 o'clock, we got 9:55 exactly. We got a sell trade. So here was the entry. Now, since there was the first candle, there was a spike and then a drop, so there was no exit over here. And very close to the stop loss level over here, and then it started decaying one level, two levels, and the third target was hit over here. Here also we started trailing our stop loss with every red candle, and then it was hit out over here. So I'll show that data later on. And since now the premiums are less, we moved up to 52,600 put, and here we got a buy option exactly over here, bottom buying at 120. The first target was met within 10 minutes, and the second target took quite some time, almost 1 hour, and that was the second target. Now after all the stop losses were trailed to cost, then we saw a big up move all the way to here, and we got out somewhere at the bottom of this green candle. So I will show those points right away. Right traders, so three trades today, Friday, one sell on the put, one buy on the put, and one sell on the call. So these two trades came together. The indicator announced these two, so I took both of them. Now see the magic over here, 866 points total today, which has now propelled me from 21% to 50% directly. So I've achieved half of my target, and it is only the 12th of the month. So for next week, we have only 4 trading days. So I'll have to do a little more than usual so that I keep the momentum going to hit 3,000 points. So the sell on 52 put option was at 233. Though the premium was low, I wasn't monitoring it because of the little spike that came after 930. So 214, 196, 158 and 146 trailing target hit. So 218 points collected over there. 52,600 put option bought at 120 at 269, first target achieved very easily at 290, then 312, 355 trailing stop loss hit at 439. A super 170 points move over there, so 341 points collected there. And at the same time, the call that we shorted, 3 lots over here, since I'm taking 5 lots now, so 2 lots were booked over here totaling 42 points. So it was 21 is the difference, but I collected from 2 lots, so it's 42 points. Now 52,600 sell on the call was a 319. First, second, third target hit very easily, and the fourth trailing stop loss was at 165. I wish I took a higher premium over here, but that's fine. So 307 points. All in all, 866 points. A fantastic finish to the week. Monday, Tuesday there were no trades. Thursday, Wednesday there was a loss. Thursday there was a loss. Now finally I am back into profit. So this entire week collected a net of 528 points. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.